In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font size in Google Earth Pro. Now, the easiest way to do this is using settings, but this will only change the 3D map labels and icons, okay? So it's these things over here, so names of places, etc., okay? So let me show you how to do this because that's very simple. You want to go to Tools, top left, and you want to click on Options. Inside Options, under Fonts, it says Choose 3D Font, so I'm just going to click on that, and then of course over here you can change your font and font style, and then you have the size as well. So right now it's on 16. If I put it at, for example, 72, I can click on OK and then apply and OK again. And if I start scrolling, you'll be able to see that it's going to basically start changing. So it takes a few seconds to adjust, but there we go. The font has changed and it's now much bigger on my map over here. So that's how to change font size. That's the only thing you can do. But if you want to change this font size over here, like on the left, and of course the menus and stuff like that, then you will have to basically change your Windows display settings. But of course this is going to change it for your entire computer, not just for this, so it doesn't actually kind of work that well, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.